Hi, my name is Samadhi Indrachapa Abeyawardena. Today, I'm going to talk about exploring the language of science through a pedagogy of place. First of all, I acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we are meeting. I pay my respect to their elders past and present. To begin my video, I would like to explain what is science. According to Young and Elliot, science is all around us, in everything we encounter. We just need to open our eyes to the wonder of it. As Pelo mentions, every child lives someplace, and that someplace begins to matter when children are invited to know where they are and to participate in the unfolding life of that place. I would like to invite you to see where I live and how living in that place helped me to experience the interplay between the love of place and my health and well-being. My place is where I live. It means a lot to me, and it is such a beautiful place. I am living on a retired golf course. As I open the door to the golf course, I see a lot of diverse biological animals. These include wild rabbits, ducks, foxes, and most beautiful self-crested cockatoos. These cockatoos sit in the gum trees outside of my house, and although they can be very noisy, they are a beautiful addition to the place where I live. What I have observed since I've been living here is the life cycle of the cockatoos. I have observed their 24-hour habits and migration habit throughout the past 12 months. First, their 24-hour cycle. They tend to roost at sunset, roughly about 7:30, 8 o'clock at night. And they make incredible noise while they are settling down for the night. And then at about 6 a.m., that's the time when they leave their nest and go out searching for foods in other gum trees and other places around this estate. I love living in this state because it was a golf course, and therefore the cockatoos have always been here because it is part of their natural habitat. Also, in terms of their life cycle, they migrate. I have also noticed over the past year that they leave the golf course, and I am pretty sure that they will leave in another couple of weeks because it starts to get too cold in Melbourne and they migrated to Mildura. Around October, they will come back and stay until April again. So the cycle continues. They are migratory birds and they are looking for the warmth, which is help with them survive. To the Iorio, Hamm and Parnell, places are not without an historical, political or ethical context. These cannot be separated from the place. This beautiful place is my home. I noticed trees outside where the cockatoos nest are aboriginal heritage trees. They can never be removed. When the landscape company were employed to enhance the golf course, they were never allowed to remove the heritage listed trees of these enormous Australian native eucalyptus trees. So they will be here until they died. To me, that is the most beautiful part of living in this reserve. The fact that these trees are so precious to our Australian culture as well as the magnificent self-crested cockatoos. From my presentation, you can clearly see this place relates to the biological and ecological science. And there are lots of different biological ecosystems where I live. The place that I live is full of diverse wildlife, and I hope watching this video has given you a glimpse into where I live and what a beautiful place it is. Thank you.